Hi guys, it's Kari Cross here with Coffee with Kari, and I have a special guest with me. This is Nicholas. Nick is my son-in-law, and so I had him come and meet with me because we're going to have a little bit of fun here today because you are a police officer.
Yep.
Now, question. Is cop a derogatory word, or is cop and police officer like same?
It's the same.
Okay. I feel weird saying cop.
It's just easier to say,
okay.
So it's fine.
So, because next Wednesday is National Coffee with a Cop Day. So I figured it would be fun to have Nick on today. We'll have some coffee. We actually are going to have some donuts because, you have to. So we're going to go over that as well. And then I don't know if I told you, but next week my mom and dad are going to be on with me. So I'm really nervous actually about that one. Because who knows what mom and dad are going to say.
Yeah.
That's kind of going to be fun. So, anyways, you used to be in the military.
Yes.
And you lived far away.
Mm-hmm.
It's very sad.
North Carolina for too long.
Too long. So now I'm really happy that you're back. My daughter and grandkids, and one on the way.
Mm-hmm.
Nick's going to be another daddy. He's got 2 girls. We don't know what this one is.
No.
Is that killing you?
Yeah.
It is. I don't know how Alyssa's doing it.
It's going to be a good surprise.
It'll be a good surprise. We don't know if we're having a boy or girl, but we're going to have a new grandbaby in the beginning of November.
Mm-hmm.
And you recently found out that you are, what is it, gluten something? You can't eat gluten.
Right. I might have celiac disease, but I haven't been eating gluten for a week and a half. 2 weeks.
And how are you feeling?
A lot better.
Really?
Yeah. A lot better.
But
so
that
we're
makes
sticking
it
to it.
difficult if you're a policeman.
Right.
Because you can't have donuts, like traditional donuts.
Right.
So my daughter Alyssa, who's on watching, hi Lola, hi Vivian. Let's say hi to the girls because I'm sure they're watching too. So Alyssa is a great cook, but very healthy cook. She's actually made me brownies and tricked me and made them with black beans, which was so mean. So I now, I'm slow to try any of her food because you never know what you're going to get with her. So it's, she has made us some gluten-free donuts, which let me show you. They look beautiful. Hold on. They actually made them really pretty. So they look really good. We're going to try them here live and see what we think about them.
Yeah.
I did, however, sorry, Alyssa, brought the real donut because I wasn't quite sure how this is going to go. And for all of you wondering, my favorite donut would be the white with the sprinkles. So that's my favorite, which I noticed Alyssa has made me a sprinkle donut.
Yeah.
So she has, she's trying to win me over. So super excited to try that. Do you know your dad has got gluten?
Yes.
So
yeah, my dad hasn't eaten gluten for 5 years or something.
Oh my gosh, it's been that long.
Yeah.
Wow.
A while now, but it's a big thing.
Wow. Okay, I didn't know that. And he's doing really well on it, right?
Yeah, it was a big thing when they realized that he couldn't eat gluten, and it changed everything. A lot healthier now.
And is he used to it now? Like he can actually go places and eat things?
Yeah. Well, he just has to be careful. But
I would have a hard time with that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a new way of learning everything. So I'm sure once you get into it, it's probably something to do. Okay, I want to try a donut. I have to try the sprinkle one.
Okay.
Which one are you going to try?
Maple. Always maple.
Oh, she got fancy with it.
Oh, yeah.
We got maple, we got chocolate, which I know Vivi would like.
Right.
Now, have the girls tried these?
They did.
They did. And what they think?
They loved them. They did.
Okay. So I'm really, really scared. I don't trust her. Did she put vegetables in it too? Because she would normally do that.
I don't think so.
She puts carrots in with the taco meat, cauliflower in with mashed potatoes. Like she always is trying to sneak things in with me, so I don't trust her too much, but I'm gonna give this a try. All right, here we go. I'm scared. So now you can eat this whole thing with the. Okay, first of all, let me tell you what it tastes like. It surprisingly tastes to me like a sugar cookie.
Yeah.
It's very strange.
Mm-hmm.
I can kind of do this. Huh. It's completely different than a traditional donut. I feel it's more cookie dessert type taste, right?
It's really good though.
It's really good. Alyssa, you did a good job. The sprinkles definitely add a little something to it, I have to say. But I like this.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like on the inside. Looks like a normal, but it looks more like a cake. Thicker than a normal donut.
It's denser.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it. Wow. Oh. I'm trying to read and talk at the same time.
Oh, Rita wants one.
Oh, no. We might have some leftovers, Rita. Come to the office. Wow. I'm impressed, Alyssa. So maybe I can be a little gluten. I'd have to see. We'll have to do another test with some other things. So now you're going to have to pack your donuts on the go now. Does donut shops sell gluten-free? They must.
I don't think they do.
No?
I haven't seen. Well, actually, I have no idea.
Well, you've only been for 3 weeks, so you got some learning still to do.
Right.
Can we show them your coffee cup? It says, I like big busts and I cannot lie.
It was a gift from a friend. I thought it was fitting for today.
I love it. Okay, so you've been a police officer now for a little bit. You did some medic stuff in the military.
Mm-hmm.
You also did language.
Yes.
What language do you speak?
Arabic.
Mm-hmm. So you did a lot of training in the military.
Yeah.
Which has that converted over well to being a police officer?
It does. I think probably the biggest thing is just getting hired, because it's a good background,
Mm-hmm.
that something you can put down, and they kind of know already that you'll be resilient to whatever happens, or you'll fit in with the team, same stuff, and all law enforcement is kind of paramilitary, so it's pretty much the same thing.
Yeah.
So it's a transition.
And I was surprised how difficult it was to become a police officer. The background checks. Yeah. I mean, I think it's great.
Yeah.
I mean, I found out a lot of things that I didn't know, both about the military and the police academy. How much, it affects the family.
Yeah.
Not just the person. By the way, thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Not just the person in the military, but how things change so quickly for the entire family, and you have to move here and do that. And so that was a surprise to me. And then in the police academy, the background checks that they did, contacting everybody and doing all of that stuff, and all of the different kinds of interviews. I mean, that was a long process.
It is. It's a long process, and it gets frustrating.
Yeah.
But it's worth it.
Absolutely. Well, and I think that I was completely surprised about it, but I mean, it's great that they go through all of that, so we know that our police officers that we have gone through that, and so they actually really want to be police officers, because otherwise you wouldn't stick out, right?
Right. I think that's part of it, is who's going to stick around to do it instead of finding some other job or something. It's good knowing that everyone on the street knows that these people went through a lot, and there was a lot of checks, and they've qualified for it. But also for me, knowing who I'm working with is supposed to be there.
That's true. That's a good point. Now, how did the police academy compare to boot camp? Were they at all comparable, or not really?
They were. It was kind of the same,
Mm-hmm.
except I was able to go home every night instead of being in Missouri or somewhere for
in misery, I call it.
yeah
Yes.
for 3 months or whatever it was.
Yes. When you graduated from boot camp, Alyssa and I went and visited you, and it was like snowing.
Oh yeah,
And
the dead of winter.
it was
Missouri.
horrible. And I didn't plan accordingly, and I'm thinking I'm going to a graduation, I'll wear a dress, and then we're standing outside waiting for them to open the doors, and I was freezing cold, and I was really upset with the military, but actually, because, they talked about being on time, and then they didn't open the doors on time, so I had to wait outside for I don't know how long it was. Alyssa, was it 15 minutes? I don't know.
Probably forever.
It was forever, and I'm like, I expected them to be so on time.
Yeah.
But they were on time. We didn't have to be on time.
Yeah. It was always the saying is hurry up and wait.
Oh, see, I did not know that.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was interesting to me. But yeah, so I called it misery because I was miserable there.
It was.
Because I did not plan accordingly.
In the middle of nowhere.
It was the middle of nowhere, yes. So, all right, well, I just wanted to have you guys on. Let them know that next Wednesday is Take a Cop to Coffee Day. So if you see a police officer out and about, if they are in the line at Starbucks, you need to pay for their coffee. I know Nick won't allow that because you don't like those kinds of things. I know that makes you uncomfortable. But definitely want to acknowledge all of the amazing police officers out there. And just wanted to thank you. Thanks for coming in and doing this. I know this is a little bit outside your wheelhouse.
It is, a little bit.
But it's super fun. And you got to meet my son-in-law, which I'm so happy that he's part of our family. He's a great, great husband to my daughter and dad to the grandkids, all that fun stuff. So this is my son-in-law. Maybe one day you'll meet Alyssa.
I'm not around a lot, Susan.
Right? I had to get you off duty. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, he's got to go back to work. I have to go back to work. So we will see you guys soon. Bye.